Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to use AI to write your Tinder or Bumble or any kind of dating profile bio. So if you want to make sure that you create a witty or funny dating profile bio that makes people want to match with you, all you have to do is sign up for this software called copy.ai. It's an AI writing tool that you can start using for absolutely free. If you click on the link in the description below, you can sign up for a free plan without your credit card details. So even if you decide not to use it anymore, you don't have to cancel any kind of subscription, so you won't get charged with anything. And once you sign up for a free account, all you have to do is add an email address. To create an engaging or funny or attractive dating profile bio, all you have to do is on the left click on templates and search for dating here. And as you can see, here's the dating profile template. They have pre-trained on a lot of dating profile data. And as you can see, you can use this dating profile template to make your profile stand out. And you can create a witty or funny dating profile with it. Click on select it and click on start new project. And as you can see, first you have to add what are the main points you want to cover on your dating profile, and what are the few key points you want to have as well. And you can also add some additional instructions here. As you can see, I've added a name, a few key points, so what's my job, what I like to do, and also some instructions on what kind of dating profile bio I want to have. Then you can select some kind of tone to your dating profile. So let's select adventures and then create content. And then as you can see, copy.ai will create a dating profile bio here. As you can see, it has generated 4 outputs here. This is quite direct, I like it. This is more a longer version. If you want to have a longer version, you can choose this. So of course, if you add more data here, the AI will have more inputs here. If you don't like the outputs, you can also change the kind of vibe you want to have on your profile bio. So let's say witty, and then create content, and it will regenerate responses for you. And you're gonna be able to find a good bio for your dating profile, whether it's Tinder or Bumble or anything else. So as you can see, this is kind of funny. So I'm a finance manager by day, but by night I'm the guy who puts the fun in funds. So as you can see, this is a really good way to generate some dating profile bios for your Tinder, Bumble, or any kind of dating app.